Imagine turning your ideas into cinematic videos in just seconds. With Seedance 2.0, you are not just generating videos, you are directing them from text, images, and even audio. This powerful AI brings your visions to life with stunning motions, realistic visuals, and professional storytelling. So, let's get started. So this is the Seedance 2.0 website. You can find the link in the description and in the comment box as well. So if we move, first of all, if we talk about the interface of this website, you will see AI video. We have Seedance VO3, sorry, VO 3.1, VO 3, Sora 2, and Kling also, Kling 3.0 as well. Now if we move in the image section, we have Dream, and then we have a few versions 3.0, 4.0, 4.5, 5.0, and then we have Nano Banana Pro as well, Z image and all that, and we also have infinite tag AI, so you can also use that. So if this video is focusing on CDAS 2.0, so let's do that. So now for that we first need an image reference image. For here you can upload the assets and all that here. So we can also use chat gpt for that, or we can just simply move to AI image nano banana, and I can go to nano banana 2. So this is image generation. So we need to write prompts, so we can also write prompts. I will just simply move here. So I have given chat gpt this idea of what I want to create. So I will just hit enter. It will write us a prompt to generate the image, then we can use that image to generate videos. So you can see this is all that. I can just simply copy this prompt like this, and then I move here, and then I will just simply paste the prompt right here. Now if we move here, you can also adjust the aspect ratio, but I want it to be 16 by 9 because I want to create like this a YouTube size. Now if we move to the format, I want it to be jpg because we need a video, not a single png. And if I move, you can move up to 4K, so I can choose 2K, or you can also choose 4K. I can go with 2K. I can just simply hit generate image. So this will generate image. So once this image is generated, I will just simply move to Seedance 2.0. We will provide the reference image here, and then we will apply the prompt of what we want to create. Then we have two models, Seedance 2.0 first, and we have pro. And from here you can move up to 15 seconds of video, so this is a plus for us. And then if we move, we have text to video section, so you can just simply provide the text and it will be animated like this. So let us wait to the image be generated. So you can see the image is generated. You can just simply hit on download button like this. So this is downloaded. We can just simply move here, and then in the reference generation I will just simply go to my download section, and I can just simply give this as a reference image. Now I will move back to chat gpt. So now I have given this a prompt like this: write me a prompt to animate this. So I will just simply copy all of this. I can just move in right here, and in the prompt section I will just simply paste the prompt. Now if we move, the image was created in 16 by 9 the YouTube size, so I will choose this, and we can choose Seedance 2.0, or you can also use Seedance 2.0 Pro as well. Now if we move, this is action sequence, so we need it to be a bit in the length, so I will just simply move to 15 seconds, and now I can just simply hit on generate. So you can see the video is being generated. So once it is generated, I will show you the final result, then we can continue. Once this is being generated, it may take a few minutes of yours. So let me show you the other feature. It is the text to video one. So we don't need any image or all that, so you can just simply paste a prompt here, select any model, and then you can hit on generate video. So I will move back to chat gpt. So I have just simply given it an example of what I want to create. So this is the prompt. Once it is generated, I will just simply copy this whole prompt, and I can just move back here, and I will just simply paste it like this. And as usual, I want the aspect ratio to be 16:9 because it's mostly used like this. So I will now choose Seedance 2.0 Pro, and for the seconds I will choose 10 seconds, and then I can just simply hit on generate video. So once this is generated, and this is being generated as well, the other one with the Seedance 2.0 fast, so I will show you both results once these are created. So you can see this is our video, this is created. So let me play and show you what is the final result. So let's watch. So you can see the final result. You can just simply hit on download button and it will be downloaded like this. And if we see, one is being created, I used nano banana to generate this, and this was the prompt. If I move to chat GPT, this was for another prompt. So you can see this is being generated. So that's all for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So this is how you can use jxps.com Seedance 2.0 and a pro version as well. So make sure to try it out. I will provide the link in the description and in the comment box as well. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.